Think of your web page as a house, and JavaScript as your tool belt. Let's start renovating. Imagine your website is a house. HTML is the blueprint. The DOM is the live structure you can actually walk through. And JavaScript, it's the interior designer. To make changes, first you have to find what you're looking for. This is like pointing at a lamp and saying, "Change this." Want to paint a wall or replace a sign? That's done using text content and style properties. Stick around, because I'll show you how to add, edit, and delete elements in real time, like an interactive home builder. You can bring in a new chair, table, or plant with Create Element function and place it with Append Child function. Tired of an old couch? Remove it with Remove function, simple as dragging it out the door. Someone rings the doorbell, and the lights turn on. That's an event listener, JavaScript reacting to something that happens. Let's put it together. Add rooms, rename titles, respond to clicks. DOM manipulation lets you renovate your page in real time. If you'd renovate your website like a pro now, hit like, comment your favorite JS editor, and subscribe for more tutorials that make sense.